Hi everyone. I am using Screencast-O-Matic to record this, and for this week's activity I am going to show you a website that I use frequently in class called Edpuzzle. It is a free resource for teachers to use, and what it does is it basically has catalogs of different videos, and it's broken down by different channels. So YouTube, Khan Academy, they've got TED Talks, Crash Course, all kinds of videos. And then they even have their own category of Edpuzzle videos. So if we click on this, these are videos that teachers have used and are sharing them with us. And what the website does is you can actually edit videos a little bit. Edit so much in that you can actually shorten the videos. If there are certain things that you don't want the kids to see, you can cut that out. Or you can add in notes or questions to ask students. So if I just click on one really quickly, you can see all of these little markers here represent where there's either a question or a break to make a note in the video. So if we wanted to do that, okay, I could select one of my videos. I can go to my content, and you can pick and save videos to, that you would like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this one on the Boston Massacre. So I could play it just as is if I wanted to. Maybe if YouTube was blocked by your school, this would be a way to get around it. But if I wanted to add questions or anything like that, I'm going to go to edit. And from here, I could make changes to the video. So if the video, let's say, was an hour long and I only wanted to show a 20-minute segment of it, let's say, I can cut out just the part of the video that I want to show, and it will only show that to my students. So using this little marker right here, I can cut and edit the video and have it end and start where I want it to do. I can include a voiceover, so well, it looks like it's actually blocked for YouTube, but I know that for some of the other videos you can put voiceover in there. I haven't really used that though, but the part that I use most is the cut and then the questions. So with this one, you can add in multiple choice, open-ended questions, or a note. And I know that this is really helpful for me because when I'm watching the video before the students, I'm noticing, oh, I need to, remind myself to ask this question at this point, or let's have a stop here and let's clarify or discuss what this means. And then when I go to show the video, I sometimes don't always remember to do those things. So this is a great feature because I can stop the video and it can ask these questions or make this little note. When you're done, you hit finish and then it'll save. The nice thing is when you're doing this, if you finish, you can just show it as your class as is. You can get links and put them in PowerPoints or Google Slides or send them in an email or whatever you want to do. But you can actually create classes, and they do I believe connect to Google Classroom. And you can create, assignment dates and due dates and make it so that they can't skip the assignment or particular questions. And then you can even turn on closed captioning as an option for students as well. So I think this is just a great resource to use. They have lots of great videos. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can look at the ones that have already been created by a lot of teachers and use them as well. The nice thing too is let's say you find a video that you want to use that a teacher has already added questions to, you can actually change some of the questions or eliminate them if you don't like some of them. So that's a nice feature too. It's just really helpful way to kind of keep students engaged with the video.